Hello students, today I am teaching to you class 6 science chapter 5 separation of substances. Separation of means how we can separate the substances individually. Individually. If the mixture of some substances are involved, then how can we separate these substances from the given mixture? To separate the substances from the given mixture, we should perform some methods, and in this topic already I taught you about the 5 methods: threshing, winnowing, hand picking, sieving, and magnetic separation. Today, in this topic, method of mixture of separation, method of separation of substances, I will discuss with the new topic, which is decantation. Decantation basically based on the property of sedimentation. Sedimentation means on the basis of gravity of a substance, the substance settles down in the bottom of a container, and by using this sedimentation property, we can easily separate the substances into their separate form. Here, before starting the method of decantation, first of all, we should know about these given terms like sedimentation, and the last one is decantation also. What is mean by decantation? To know about the method of decantation, first of all, we have to more clear about information about the sedimentation and decantation. Sediment means suppose that we have a liquid in a container which contains some solid particle. This is a liquid in a container, and some solid particles are present inside the liquid. But after some time, if we do not stir the mixture and left for a certain period of time, after some time the particles are settled down inside the bottom of the container and liquid is left over. The particles which settle down at the bottom, these particles are called sediment. Means the particles which are insoluble in the liquid, they settle down after a certain period of time, and these particles are called sediment. These particles are called sediment. And the deposition of this solid particle at the bottom of a liquid is called sedimentation. The solid particles are called sediment, and their deposition at the bottom of liquid, their deposition means the deposition of the particles is called sedimentation. So more clear about the sediment and sedimentation. Both are different from each other. So sediment is the solid matter which settles down at the bottom of a liquid is called sediment. The solid matter is called sediment. For example, suppose we have a mixture of soil and water. So after some time the soil particles are settled down at the bottom of the container. So soil particles are called sediment, and the process of deposition of this soil particle at the bottom of the container is called sedimentation. Means the process of settling down of this soil particle at the bottom, this process of settling down of particles at the bottom is called sedimentation. So the matter which is settled down at the bottom is called sediment, and their deposition at the bottom is called sedimentation. Both are different. Be clear. So what is sedimentation? Sedimentation means the deposition of solid matter, the deposition of solid matter at the bottom of the liquid, at the bottom of a liquid is called sedimentation. So I hope you will more understood about these two terms, sediment and sedimentation. The next term is decantation. Decantation. Decantation means after the sedimentation, we get two layers. The lower layer is of sediment and the upper layer is of clear water. After sedimentation, we obtain two layers, the lower layer of sediment and the upper layer of, we obtain a clear water layer. And we can now pour out the clear water into another container or beaker to separate it from the sediment. What I said? I said that we can now want to obtain this clear water into the another beaker. This clear water into the another beaker. This clear water. And sediment matter is left behind in the previous container. So, the pouring out of a liquid from a container or a beaker or a vessel without disturbing this sediment, material is called decantation. Means the pouring out of this clear water from the beaker 1 to the beaker 2 without disturbing this sediment material is called decantation. Means how can we define the decantation is, decantation means the pouring out of a liquid from a vessel without disturbing the sediment is called decantation. Is called decantation. So by using this method we can separate a liquid from the mixture of liquid and an insoluble substance easily. So we can say that the solid particles which are insoluble in a liquid can be separated by decantation. Suppose that we cannot separate the solution of sugar and water by using decantation method. Decantation method only is applicable where if the given mixture is containing a insoluble substance in the solution. So the solid particles, we can say that the solid particles which are insoluble in a liquid can be separated by decantation. So let us separate a mixture of sand and water. First of all, the mixture contains in a beaker the mixture of sand and water contains in a beaker and left for some time. After some time, the sand is settled down at the bottom of the beaker and upper layer is of clear water present. The sand is called sediment and to separate the clear water from this mixture, we use a glass rod as such drawn in this figure. with the help of this glass rod, we pour the clear water into another beaker, and sand is left behind in the previous beaker. This process is called decantation. This is clear water which we obtained by the process of decantation. Decantation process is used in our everyday life, like when rice and pulses are washed with water before cooking, then the water is separated from them by decantation. Remember this point. When rice and pulses are washed with water before cooking, then the water is separated from them by decantation. So the process of decantation can be used for separation only when the solid does not dissolve in the liquid. So here we reach to a conclusion that decantation process is only applicable for separating two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids, and it is not applicable. Immiscible means, suppose that liquid of oil and water, they are both are liquid but they are not dissolved in oil is not dissolved in water, so we can separate this oil from the water by using the decantation process. And the decantation process cannot be used for separating two miscible liquids. Not applicable to separate out two miscible liquids. Okay, thank you.